What separates car sharing from other industry peers is that it's almost a perfect product market fit. In a lot of places, people don't have access to the greatest transportation. Public transportation doesn't always service the needs of a lot of people in these urban centers, and ride sharing is great for short-term trips, but it's not the best when you need to run a number of errands or you need to go out of town, and it's just not cost effective. And I guess the other industry peer might be rental car companies, but rental car companies are a little antiquated in how they operate. They have brick and mortar locations, and they're not always as close in proximity to where these individuals need these cars. And so that's why car sharing is such an amazing industry, and it's been taking off for half a decade now, is because it brings access to mobility literally to every neighborhood in major cities, where a lot of neighborhoods may not have had access to mobility before. What really separates it is the Connect device. It's the technology that completely separates Getaround from its competitors in the industry. The Connect device is such a cool feature that anyone can walk up to the car when their trip starts, click lock and click unlock, and then have access to that car. It makes the experience really easy for the guest because it's seamless and it's contactless, which is especially important in today's time when we're dealing with a global pandemic. But it's also great for the host as well, because the host no longer needs to plan their day around meeting a guest to share keys. The host can monitor the trip from their iPhone, they can monitor their trip from their laptop. And why I think Getaround is such a different company from some of its industry peers is that it allows hosts to scale. Because you don't have to meet guests for key exchange, you can have multiple vehicles around a city fairly easily.